Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack.
What are you even doing with your life? You've got to go back to school and get your degree.
You were 10 minutes late to work. If it happens again, you're fired.
Hey, I'm worried about you. You haven't been yourself lately.
Stop!
They never were. You don't have to just watch others achieve their dreams. You can rise to the challenge and do it yourself. Find the winner within you. Top Tier Trader, where winners trade.